What we're doing today, we're back on the markets. It's a Monday. To be fair, it's what, like 3:21. We're probably just gonna do analysis today. Analysis, and I was cooking setting up this weekend as well. How I learnt to deal with losses over the time as I've been trading. For me personally, I've been trading for like what, a year and a bit now. So I was doing some reading this weekend. Oh yeah, I need to put you guys onto my books. Read this. This is all very good book. Like over this weekend I was actually ripping it off, I can't lie. But I was thinking about like goal achievement in it, and it was making me think how over the time I've learned how to deal with losses, especially with like trading, because it's such a thing that like you never actually see money until you've worked so hard and hard and hard, and then finally you start seeing money. It sounds so basic, but that's what it is. And what the book was telling me, well, this one, if anyone wants to read it, it was chapter 12, part 3, chapter 12. It just talks about how trading can literally cover your wildest dreams. You can hit such a level of profit that you've never seen before in your life. But you can also lose so much that you literally lose everything. Yeah, nah, it just stuck with me. Like, it made me think like, yo, like every loss you take, you feel like you're going the wrong way. You feel like it's not working and all of that. But it's actually leading you the right way. Like throughout time, like your perception of losing needs to change. Okay, like every loss I take only makes me understand the game. Like you can't be persevere with this thing. It's not easy. The market is 3 o'clock already, so I got my phone out. We got MetaTrader open, but I'm not really expecting to take any trades today, I'm being honest. I'm thinking it's gonna be a smooth day, something easy. We're really just scoping out for the week, innit? Trying to see how last week finished. Last week finished quite clean. It was another bullish week. If you look at this year, just been up and up and up and up. I don't know, bro. I thought with him coming, like we're gonna see the drop with the whole bullish movement. But he came in, gold has just been tearing it. Uptrends, uptrends, uptrends. And yeah, last week was another uptrend. Easy. This week jumped up a good 500 and something pips, and it's only been Monday, so I really do think we do carry on. But again, let's see how I went throughout the day. Again, as I said, entered off this fair value gap on Friday. Was another bullish day. This is our target, by the way, from a couple of days ago. If you guys were watching, you guys should watch the last video. It explains everything that I thought. Like, this is just what we've been expecting. But we had a target of 57. Swept it on Thursday. Friday it flipped it, broke it, created a fair value gap, and off that fair value gap is what it grabbed just today. So off that, it's been able to reach 127, which is crazy. 77 to 127 is insane. It's been able to do a lot of movement, and it's only 3 o'clock as well. I don't know if that was news today. Today, there wasn't news. There wasn't news today. So it did all of this. It did all of this in Asia session. Oh, okay, cool. So we actually need to start looking at for our liquidity spots. This okay. Creating our liquidity right now. But we can see this is our source side. It tried to see the last time. This is our internal. This is our external. This is our internal. This is our internal. Looks like this would be our internal or external. Whichever one we see. These are all liquidity points, by the way. This is where there's liquidity in the market. Let's go down. You can see it tried to touch here. Couldn't. We're gonna see it trying to touch these two parts, and we'll probably carry on breaking up. We see a rejection from here. Really and truly doesn't matter, because really and truly we're trying to see buys anyways. So we're really trying to buy from the 80s, if we're being honest right now. We're trying to buy from the 80s anyways. If you look at the move from today, we use the Fibonacci retracement from today all the way here. What we were saying is literally premium. Their fair value gaps. Price has to come down here anyways for us to even think of buying. Really and truly, I'm attracted to this, if I'm being honest. I'm thinking of entering here. I really do want to see what is protecting me there and what is on top as well. There's an order block here. We got an order block. 30-minute. This takes like so much concentration out of me. That's the thing. I can't speak. My problem is what I'm trying to learn how to do is talk my way through stuff. Because I know when I'm editing this year, I'm gonna see this part that I'm not talking, and I'm just gonna edit it out. But I'm flipping concentrating right now. You know what I mean? I'm concentrating. I think I've even got the wrong ones on, but buy side liquidity. That, you know what I mean? Buy side, sell side, quickly. Because I'm trying to scope this next move. You ain't got time for that. I mean, it's still far away, but this is how quick it takes. This is how quick it takes me to get a setup done. So value go up. Let's see the 15-minute. Okay, perfect. So you expect price to come and try to test this because it's of the time. There's just going to be American players in the game. They're going to want to bring the price of gold down because it's against their currency. So because of that, we expect to enter here tomorrow 88 after it tests. And this is our stop loss. Actually, you can put the stop loss even here. We'll put the stop loss right below the rejection block. 87 to 70. I don't think that's bad. 487 to 127. I think that's a decent trade. Also, when I put my price alert on, I'll probably record it and show you guys like how it goes. So, because really and truly, this aligns with our bias as well. Our bias is a buy. This Trump doesn't look like he wants to let this thing go. We just expect a pullback though. That's the thing. How much I'd be risking or how much I should risk on a trade like this. On my trades here on a demo, and look at this. It's only a matter of time until that becomes reality. I don't think it's gonna what's it called? 65,000. It's only a matter of time until that becomes a reality, and it's so fun. Entry was from 2,900, 31.18. I'm telling you, it's getting crazy. That's what makes sense. I think it's just gonna carry on coming down. The Americans are going to want to save this. The Asians have pulled such a sneaky one on them. It needs to come down to this point. If not, I wouldn't be surprised if this was the move. This was done throughout, or New York pushed it down. There was no news there. There's news tomorrow as well. So there's PMI tomorrow, so that means tomorrow we can't trade. And it just means that this move should be done like on the 2nd or something. On the 2nd of April, because there's a JOLTS opening as well. Let's actually look at how these will impact. What we just checked is that we wanted to know how the ISM manufacturing PMI on the 1st would affect the dollar, and it just said here that it would strengthen the dollar, so because there's strong, robust economic activity and aggressive rate on the Fed policies. Bro, 1,000 have been sold. I feel like, you know, when guys actually spoke about this on the news, bro, no one paid mind to this. Like, we haven't spoke to this. 1,000 of these gold card visas have been sold. And these things can be used to pay off the US debt. I'm coming back. Give me a sec. 1,000 of these things were sold. Yeah. And it's being used to pay off the US debt. How much that's bringing to the economy? Bro. That's $5 billion. I don't know why it took me that long to understand. But I'm seeing 5E9. Like, created 5 billion out of thin air. It's like this year, this will bring the dollar down. Like, this will actually bring the dollar down. Obviously, it's not the same because it's manufacturing, PMI, yeah, blah, blah, blah. But this is going to do something good for the US economy. This is going to make the dollar way more stronger, way more valuable. So, it will come down to our point of 88. Until then, I don't really want to be in the market because the only time I would want to be in the market is if it taps this bit of liquidity as well. It's 4 hour liquidity or whatever it is. If it taps this, then I will enter. If it tapped here, yeah, man would enter still. Yeah, I would enter. If it did that, that's the only way I would enter, bro. Like, but apart from that, like, I don't see the point of me entering. Like, I don't see the point of me entering, but this is the trade. Alright, yeah. So that's our analysis for gold. That's our analysis for gold for this week. Right now, I'm not really looking at trades right now, I'll be honest. If trades right now, everything just signals down. Like, I don't wanna, yeah, I ain't even gonna do that. I'm gonna give you guys an explanation of why I don't do that anymore as well. But yeah. Oh, do you know one thing I was talking about as well? If you guys have any questions of anything I say, anything you want me to explain and make content on, put it down in the comments below. Always be happy to do something about it. Camera, like, the camera is a bit like this right now. Promise you, I've ordered best stuff, yeah. It's gonna make just the camera quality way more better. Literally just make everything way more crazier. Let's see what I ordered. Amazon have been cancelling my order. Amazon have been cancelling my orders. The stuff I ordered for my camera, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now because I'm gonna have to do it again anyways. I can't order anything from Amazon. Like, genuinely can't use the app Amazon. Do you know how crazy this is? I need to beg someone to use Amazon. I just want to order my stuff. EU. Like, why does it take so long? Like, this is the point that I see it hitting my target. But why on earth is it taking this long to be hitting profit levels, bro? I can't lie, one day maybe I'll like it, you know. But for now, I just don't know how. Don't know how, fam. Don't know how I would like this. This would just piss me off, bro. Like, as a trader, this would annoy me. And that's why all these prop firms want you to trade it as well. Because they know with stuff like indices and commodities, you're making straight bank. With Forexes, yeah, it's so long. I don't trade. I'm not a Forex trader. I'm a commodity trader. This is so long to trade, bro. This is so long to trade. That's what my entry would be anyway. 30-minute order block. 30-minute order block. Wants to break this. Multiple order block. That's such a good entry. Oh my gosh, that's a good entry. 30-minute fair value gap. That's just hit here. Hey man, that's how I see it. Obviously, what I see happening, it keeps on trying to beat these, and some way somehow hits this profit level. But how low does it want to go? Probably wants to go this low. Even at that, still a 1 to 2.88 ratio. A man is not complaining. This thing is actually so sad. In 2025, Look, I cannot use Amazon. Those are the trades that we're looking at today. This is like a little first week recap of what we want. Let me see if I have any notes on this joint. Yes, I do. Oh, I'm expecting a buy, man. I'm expecting a buy. You can see my buys, bro. I'm vouched. Ask about me in the streets. I'm vouched and verified, gang. Do you get what I mean? Like, when it comes to this, I'm one of the ones. I'm one of the ones. I know what I'm doing. I'm joking, market humble. But I know what I'm doing, though. I know this is gonna hit take profit. But this is what I'm expecting. I think I could, if I wanted to get into it, it would be as soon as it breaks this year and it creates, I'd enter off this like this, and then I'm telling you, this would fucking bang, fam. I'm so sorry, this would bang. I'm telling you it would bang. I'm telling you it would bang. I'm putting on the trade now. I'm telling you it would bang. I'm telling you it would bang. We're gonna come back to this tomorrow and we're gonna see. But I'm setting up for the week anyways. This is just a setup for the week. I'll be real. And we're gonna shout out boy ST, see what he's saying about the week as well. My boy's back trading, man.
Yeah, to be fair, I caught a buy earlier.
What? On Euro USD? Gold?
Yeah. To
Yeah.
be fair, I was buying Euro USD, but I got stopped out. I saw a buy, it was like 2k up. I was gonna tee out, I didn't, got stopped out.
I saw the buy at like 78.42.
Nah, the buy made sense. Like, if you look at the daily as well.
Yeah. I've looked at all my higher time frames. It just looks too good to be true.
It's probably gonna end up being a bullish candle today, and the amount that it whipped down it just makes sense.
Yeah, and then I looked at gold as well. I'm thinking of gold coming down, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I already teed out the buy. I could have held up. I was trying to sell from 28, but it didn't hit entry, you know. So that trade, my confluence is, like, if I'm being honest, it wasn't like A-star Gara trading.
Yeah.
I wasn't trying to do too much.
Let's have a look at the trades that we looked at earlier. I can't lie, I had to quickly nip to Costco. 100% had to go get a little pizza, little mango smoothie. I can't lie, I'm putting you on. Mango smoothies, too dank, especially the ones from Costco. Too good. We caught a little sell. Let's try explain the sell to you guys. But yeah, our bias was a sell. We did think that it was gonna, like, it was just gonna carry on going down, didn't it? Obviously we seen the liquidity up here, we seen the liquidity down there. We could tell that it wanted to go down. It was in a ranging spot. We waited for the break. We wanted to see a break here. We got the break, entered off the fair value gap, so entry really and truly was here. We targeted the TP, which is this area. Fortunately, really and truly, we wanted it to go down here, but it couldn't break, so we was fine with that. We took it, and it's just carried on going up to 23. I wonder what we're gonna see for it tomorrow, because obviously tomorrow we're trading. Tomorrow's a trading day, so we're gonna see what happens. There's news tomorrow. At 2 o'clock. Price should drop down because of the 15-minute order block as well. The one we're still in currently is the EU buy. We saw the buy. That's where we got the buy from. We're currently up 1.2k. Hopefully can hit our profit level of 85.78. Let's see if there's any obstacles in our way as of now. So the 2 hour looks clear. Obviously you got your order blocks for us up there, so that looks a bit clear. It has been bullish hours for the last couple hours, so that looks a bit clear. This has been very bullish, quite rangy on the 30 minutes. Bulls look to take over. 15 minutes, gradually getting up, holding higher highs and higher lows. On the 5 minute, it's just created an order block in a bearish order block zone, so expecting it to break very, very soon. Yeah, it looks good. I feel like from our entry we're good, but again, anything can happen. I wanted to give like a little recap on what we did with the trades that we spoke about, like what the outcome was. One, we ended up winning on the gold sell. We ended up doing 77 pips. We ended up doing $3,469 on the gold sell on 4 lots. And now we're currently floating 1,200 on the EU buy. So altogether we've done 4.6k today. Pretty good day. I remember when, bro, some days were like no money in my pockets. Thank you for watching this video. Again, if you did enjoy the content, you liked the content, you found something new, or you misunderstood anything, drop a comment below and stuff. Drop a little message in the comment box and whatever will try to help you. I'm trying to really connect with the people that like I share my trades with. Do you get what I mean? Like, it takes a lot to post these out, so if you just want to say something, look at what you think was right, what you think was wrong, if there's room for me to improve, you want to network with me, bro, just put it down there in the comments. Like, I'll read it. I literally answer all my comments. I like all my comments. I'm very engaging with the comments, so just let me know, put it down there and we'll get it done. That's it for today. We're finishing off the day with $4,700 made on our account. We're starting a series soon called the 100k funded challenge or something like that. It's going to be a series that I get a new funded account, I pass it, I try get to payout. So I show you the whole journey from the start all the way to the end. If you guys would want to see something like that, let me know. I'll probably start posting that as well. I'll probably start tomorrow. If I post this today, I'll probably start tomorrow. Probably get a new video out for Thursday or something on this video idea we just said. Again, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. The content's only gonna get better if I see like some sort of engagement and stuff. I'm gonna catch you man in a bit. Peace.